Yo, what's up guys, it's Laashak again in a new video. You might say, what is this on screen? Yes, it looks fuzzy and a bit weird, so let me show you what it is. And in this video we are going to talk about a display. It's a 60 Hz monitor for work, and it's no doubt it's the HP 24UH. So it's on screen right now on off focus. Okay, anyways, we got it back. So it's a 60 Hz display. I'm going to go on explain the hardware and what all the buttons are included. So basic overall look, it looks pretty neat and clean. So I really like the design. It is really having a little amount of bezels and kind of lightweight for a monitor. Probably not useful for gaming, but anyways, it can be used for work. So let's go through what we see in front. We have the HP logo down here, and we have the model name up there, HP 24UH. So that's the first appearance of the device. Just before getting into the video, I wanted to say this is not a sponsored video. I basically say this in all my tech videos just because I have a brand's product on screen, so I wanted to mention that. And now let's get in. So here we also have a few indications. We have a light LED there and nothing else on the frame. We have things written like enter, arrows, exit, auto, and other stuff like that. That's gotta be it for the front, and we'll go check out what's in the back. So if you're wondering what is this, so it's basically the back of the panel itself. It's really sleek compared to really thick monitors, and all you have is a HDMI, two device ports, so display ports for inputs, and one power cable, power input. So it's really simple and minimalistic. And this is the stand if you didn't figure it out till now. These are some buttons that we did see from the front, and they're really well positioned, since you'll be able to click them easily and access them properly, and they click really good. It's something that is satisfying to do. The sound. Anyways, you have the stand itself and the display itself. Well, that's gotta be it for this display's hardware walkthrough, I would say. So again, the model is HP 24UH. It's used for basically office work, and that's my face right there. Anyways, not a face review yet. You gotta be subscribed and turn on the post notifications. And if you didn't see the channel trailer, well, I upload one tech video every Sunday, so stay tuned for that. And thanks for watching this video. This is me, Laashak, getting off.